I just arrived at my coffee shop. So before I open my coffee shop and get on to the business, I would like to explain you about what is a good coffee, really. I've been thinking about this a lot, and I have a lot of clients that always come here and saying that give me your best coffee, and then I say, explain the best coffee for you. What is the best coffee? Now, each of them has their own definition. I do have mine because I've been working in this industry for 14 years, actually more than that. So a good coffee means many things, but to simplify it, first of all, you need good quality beans, and good quality bean comes from a good agricultural field, good production from Kenya or from Ethiopia or from Honduras. That depends, but has to be a good quality, well produced, well looked after, and for me personally, it's my personal perspective, it should come from a multi agriculture, not a mono agriculture, not like a wheat field and just a wheat field, like from the forest. Now that's the first step. Then it should be imported with care, meaning that when they come and distribute it all over the world in a container ship, have to make sure that the container ship has been well looked after as well, so that in the ocean during the period when it stays in the container, it doesn't impact the quality of the bean. Then after that, it should be well looked after and well preserved in the reserve just before the roasting, and then needs to be roasted properly with care, with well observation and well control. Don't just leave in the machine and then just leave for a break and then come back half an hour later. You need to make sure that all the parameters are going very well. Otherwise, believe me, it changes a lot. Arabica coffee is a very good quality coffee, but doesn't mean that Robusta is a bad one, because I rather have a good quality, well roasted Robusta coffee than a badly roasted Arabica coffee. You know what I mean? So, but then a good nice and well produced Arabica bean are the best. What else? Then it comes all the way behind me, needs to make sure that it's been grinded properly with the right parameter. Sometimes it's a little bit too big, depends on the roasting. Sometimes it's a little bit less. And then where is it? Make sure the extraction is just right, with the nice grammage, with the nice a second. Or that's not, if not that, you have plenty of methods right there. So this is not just the only way. You have the many other way to make good coffee. Could be espresso, could be long. But to summarize it, a good coffee bean is not just the expensive one. It means many things, from the production at the very beginning all the way to here, the guy behind the machine, right? That's all from me. Look after yourself, enjoy good coffee, and bye bye.